morning, everybody, once again, and welcome back to my channel Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. So, today we are going to continue Standard 8th, chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary, Lapse of Memory. That is lesson number 4 of Honeydew Book 8th Standard, and this is the part 2. So, we'll continue in this video about part 2. Part 1 video already I have posted, as this lesson is very long, so we'll be dividing into few parts to make it the learning easiest and convenient way. So, let's start. Before that, I'd like to tell you, don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe the channel at the earliest. If you have not subscribed still, do it at the earliest for your betterment and education. I'll be keeping on posting such videos for my dear children. So I would like to tell you, in first part we had seen in the starting in the first video, that is a man, Bipin Chaudhary, he forgets a total incident of his life of a 1 week that he had ever been to Ranchi. He forgets total memory loss he has of that part. He comes across such witnesses, proofs, but he is not able to recall that he had ever been to Ranchi. He had visited Ranchi. So, is it true? Are the proofs and witnesses true, or what he feels is true? Is he really going mad, or what? Is there any problem? Let's see the suspense and thriller in this part of the video. So this lesson you'll come to know that what will happen to him, what is the exact problem, what is lying between this, what is the secret. So let's start with the second part. Here in the first video means we saw that one man comes across Bipin Chaudhary in a bookshop. That bookshop name is Kali Charan's bookshop. That Kali Charan's bookshop is located in New Market, where Bipin Chaudhary every Monday he visits there, as he is in love with the books, especially the suspense and thriller books. He has to buy at least 5 books a week so that it will last him through the whole week. And that books he is reading, because he is not a good mixer. He doesn't get along well with the people. He doesn't believe in idle gossiping or chatting. So here once he find a person, Parimal Ghosh, he is continuously looking at him and trying to recognize him, and as well as making Bipin Babu recognize him. That man further informs him that Bipin Babu had visited Ranchi for a whole week. They both had met every day, almost every day, and they had a nice chat together. But Bipin Babu is avoiding that person and could not recognize at all. Still that person, see here how he tries to convey the message, how he tries to make Bipin Babu remember that that is Bipin Babu had visited Ranchi. So let's see here. So here Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? Bipin Babu asked that person, but very quietly. His eyes were on the books because he seems to be interested in reading too much. It's his favorite pastime, hobby. The man said, October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. He simply politely gives the answer to that person that in 1958 the puja I spent with my friend in Kanpur. So puja here means the Durga Puja, which is very, very auspicious and one of the most important festivals of people of east side, that is Bengali people, and they celebrate the Durga Puja as we celebrate Navratri here at the same time. So He politely said that you may be making a mistake. So good day. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. That man is trying to make him remember by telling various things about him, that intimate details, that he told that one day we both had tea in Bipin Chaudhary's veranda of the bungalow where he may have lived in Ranchi, and Bipin Babu informed that person Parimal Ghosh about his life, his family, that is his wife who had already expired before 10 years, and his brother, one and only brother of Bipin Chaudhary, died insane. Insane means who cannot perceive the things like other normal people, means mad, out of his wits, means insane. Let me show you the meaning of insane. Yes, in a state of mind which prevents normal perception, behavior, or social interaction, means that person is mentally very ill. Mentally ill person is called insane person. So here, yes, then that's why Parimal Ghosh told that Bipin Babu was not ready to visit very famous mental hospital in Ranchi, as his brother was mad and he died because due to means madness. Then he was not interested, Bipin Babu was not interested in visiting the mental hospital. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Utter disbelief means, utter means completely, and disbelief means not believing. He was surprised, he was astonished, completely surprised. Utter disbelief means completely surprised. Utter disbelief. That man was in total surprise as Bipin Babu paid for the books and went off the shop. Still that man was not able to believe himself. Now the second part in the lesson. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi. No question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident, which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. Here, what is said here, that Bipin Babu, as he left from the bookshop, Bipin Babu's car was already, it was safely parked and he had a driver too. His name was Sitaram and it was parked in Bertram Street near the Lighthouse Cinema. He informed the driver, he ordered the driver rather, just drive or get a ride along Ganga river. He just wanted to make the cool of his mind and he just wanted to spend some time in a ride in car, maybe thinking, pondering over the thing which Parimal Ghosh may have told him. Bipin Babu regretted means if we have done something, maybe we are repenting that why have we done something, that thing, or regretting means we have failed to do something properly. So let me show you the meaning of regretted. Regretting, here see regret. Regret means feeling sad. Repentant means disappointed over something that one has done or failed to do. Somebody is trying to do something, and if that person has done that thing wrongly or maybe failed to do that thing. So coming back, yes, then he thought that why I had paid so much attention to the intruder. Intruder means somebody who is unnecessarily peeping inside or breaking inside your house, maybe like somebody like a thief. But here the intruder is entering not the house of Bipin Babu, but the mind of Bipin Babu. Somebody is coming into your house with a criminal intention, with a bad intention to disturb you or rob you. But here the intruder is coming into the mind of Bipin Babu unnecessarily. That's why he is called an intruder. See here the meaning of intruder. A person who intrudes, especially into a building with criminal intent, with a criminal purpose, he enters into building. But here he does not enter into the building, but rather enter the mind of Bipin Babu. Then he had never been to Ranchi. He was himself quite sure that never he had visited Ranchi. So how was it possible? No question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident. Means it was not readily absorbed, or it is not at all possible and believable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 to 7 years back. How can he forget such a recent thing? We are remembering sometimes things of when we were kids. So how can we forget just? It is not possible for us. He had very good memory, excellent memory. Unless now Bipin Babu's head reeled. It was just, he was going to faint. He felt like that his head is spinning.